Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I am with some MCQs on gender, school and society for CTET and B.Ed. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Gender refers to biological differences between males and females. B. Socially constructed roles and expectations. C. Chromosomal differences. D. None of the above. Answer is B. That is socially constructed rules and expectations. Gender is a social construct shaped by society, culture, and norms. Girls are expected to be soft and boys strong. This is gender, not biology. Second question, the idea that women should handle household work and men should earn money is A. Gender identity, B. Gender neutrality, C. Gender stereotype, D. Gender bias. Answer is C. Gender stereotype. This is a fixed belief about the role of men and women. Saying girls can't play football is a gender stereotype. It is a society statement, not biological statement. Third, unequal treatment based on gender is called A. Gender sensitivity, B. Gender bias, C. Gender equality, D. Gender empowerment. Answer is B, that is gender bias. When one gender is treated unfairly or given fewer opportunities, allowing only boys to answer questions in class is the example. Question number 4, gender socialization happens through A. Family, B. School, C. Media, D. All of the above. Answer is D. That is all of the above. Children learn gender roles from parents, teachers, TV, books, toys, and society. Question number 5. A teacher encouraging both boys and girls to participate in all activities is promoting a gender bias, B. Gender stereotype, C. Gender equality, D. Gender criticism. Answer is C. Gender equality. Equal opportunity and participation show gender equality. That is most important in society. Question number 6. Which action shows gender sensitivity? A. Boys do heavy work, girls do soft work. B. Seating boys in front. D. Avoiding gender specific tasks. D. Allowing only girls in the dance class. Answer is C. Avoiding gender specific tasks. Gender sensitive teachers avoid dividing tasks based on gender. 7. Hidden curriculum refers to what is A. What is taught formally, B. Teaching syllabus, C. Unwritten norms and behavior transmitted indirectly, D. Co-curricular activities. Answer is C. Unwritten norms and behaviors transmitted indirectly. Hidden curriculum includes gender roles shown indirectly through discipline interactions and expectations. Teacher praising girls for neatness but boys for intelligence. Question number 8. Gender empowerment means giving more power to boys. B. Increasing women's control over resources and decisions. C. Allowing only one gender to dominate. D. Separating gender roles. Answer is B. Increasing women's control over resources and decisions. Empowerment means increasing agency, confidence, and opportunities. Question number 9. Example of gender stereotype in textbooks. Father cooking food. B. Mother repairing the fan. C. Girl playing cricket. D. Boy crying. Answer is none of these. All are anti-stereotype examples. If question intended negative, correct answer will be none. Reflect stereotype, they break stereotype. Question number 10. Which of the following promotes gender equality in schools? A. Separate activities for boys and girls. B. Mixed seating arrangement. C. Teacher praises boys more. D. Girls asked to clean the class. Answer is B. Mixed seating arrangement. Mixed seating reduces gender barriers and supports equal participation. Thank you.